This is the Himitsu Bako Mini, probably one of the smallest Japanese puzzle boxes that exists, and I will show you how to solve it in this video. This puzzle was designed by Jeroen Kruid from the Netherlands. Difficulty level of this puzzle is 6 out of 10 on a Puzzle Master's difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10, and the goal of the puzzle is obviously to open it. The puzzle requires 5 steps to solve it. If you like the Himitsu Bako Mini and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca and don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more videos from Puzzle Master. We will start by moving one of the side panels, like this one goes one step down. Then we can move this side panel and it goes down. The next will be this one. You move it just one step. Then you move this one. It also goes, it goes up. And now you can flip the box and move this part and the box is opened. As you can see, there is a relatively large compartment for the size of the box. If you like the Himitsu Bako Mini and you want to buy it or you want to try some other awesome puzzles, go to puzzlemaster.ca.